Alright guys, so I'm having a problem with my prints. It seems like I'm having like these dimples. You see the white spots on this guy? It seems like I'm having the same problem. So I just don't know what to do next. So I did this. I have this guy here. I'm working on the Monoprice 3D printer. And that's what I have. And let me show you my customs. I turned off my build plate. Let's see. The heat. I brought down the heat to 150. Build plate is 0. My speed for this is speed. So it's at 45. I don't know if I should bring it down or up, but so the heat I brought down, the speed I believe I brought it down to, it was at 50%. So I still feel like it's gonna come up with these dots all over. And you see the shoulder. I can't get that shoulder. The shoulder is more like a, it's kind of like a dent. It's not a dot per se, but it's more like a crater. But these dots are kind of weird here. Anyways, I needed somebody's advice. Thank you. Samples, or I have these prints that I 3D printed, and I think, yeah, this comes out a little bit, came out a little stringy. Here's my benchy. It does have stringies. This is my, it doesn't come out too stringy. I don't think so. That's my sample. Here's this. So, and then look at this guy. This guy looks like it came out good, but I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I do? How do I stop these? How do I stop this from happening again? Please advise, any advice, thank you.